Uh, I didn't mean to go live this early.
Duh. 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 Close this. All right. I accidentally went live. I didn't mean to go live this early, but nevertheless, it's this reality show. I don't edit, or
What you can see is what you get. But not really quite ready to go live. I don't think I can zoom in with this.
get a piano check. That's like loud.
I didn't practice any of my Christmas songs. I have a backing track on my iPad. I don't want to get a copyright strike. But let me go over here real quick and do this couple of things in the kitchen. And you can see my Venmo right there. I'm gonna keep that Venmo. I can change the Venmo and the Cash App. Going to do a fundraiser between now and New Year's. My birthday's in January. Second to the last day in January.
So I'm going to go out and play in the subway today. And well, I'm going to my best spot. Arlington, Arlington, Virginia. Wait a minute, I could put some more on. I need to get another water filter. Matter of fact, I should have ordered that. I can afford to do that. I had bottled water, but just a really cheap bottled water. They used to have this at the Dollar Tree. It used to be $1. Well, I'm running it through the filter because it's been sitting in this plastic. I just found out they had proof that they can measure how much plastic that plastic does get in your system from. I don't know if it settles where it settles. It's my nighttime tea. That poor dog, every morning he has to deal with being left in the apartment. He tries to get out that door. I'm gonna put a little butter in my tea. They say the fat help brings out the THC. A little bit of butter and some tea. And a fire on that. So I don't run out tonight when I have tea. I got a couple of big things in here. But we're gonna eat some leftover beans and chili. Gonna put a couple of eggs in there with that. Now, first, let me do a couple of smoothies. Get a sound check here.
I mean, listen to the headphones is the best thing, I think.
A little bit distorted. Oh,
Microphone really distorted.
way up too high.
Yeah, man. I haven't practiced any of these songs. I need to get a big pair of glasses too, with the we changed chairs. Am I wired? Yeah, my head. Let me listen to this real quick. What's off the sound? Is that right? I know, cause the sounds like there's a filter on it.
listen to that. Okay. Just don't- Need that. Let me try another. Let me do another chair here. I think I have this chair for setting up high. Oh. Oh, I forgot I had a basketball. I gotta put some more air in. It's my stocking for Christmas stocking. I take out there with me a couple of presents in there. Mittens, little teeny kids. Let's see. Let's see. I don't even think I have the whole song here. I don't have the whole song here. I don't have this whole I'll Be Home for Christmas. I have the intro. It's on another page, 102, 103. See if I can find another I'll Be Home for Christmas. Kings. Justice. No, wait a minute. I don't have another one. That's just the intro. I think I have the other one, a version in here. Let's see. 12 Days of Christmas. Here's one, short one. See if I have another one. Have yourself a Merry Christmas. Joy to the world. That's it. I think I have it right here. I can take this one out of here. I think. Does this come out? It come out. It's stuck. Yeah. No. It's stuck on the page. I can tear it out. Okay. What's this? Oh, this is the other. This is the other half. The other half of the song right here. Need another piece of insert. Here's one. Here's the other half. 9301. I don't like tearing pages out of the book. Because years later you go back looking for that song and you just have a blank page. You have a space in between where you cut the page out. Oh, this don't go in here. I'm going to put this in, let's see. I have to move this deck to halls. Gotta move deck to halls. And what's on this? See, will this come out? It's stuck together. These two together.
And put this way down the bottom here. I can cut this bottom off and a little bit of the top. Jack the horns. Put this in another book. I have 2 books, 2 Christmas books. Get my scissors, I can cut the bottoms off of here. Yeah, this is definitely a piano chair here. I can still get a little bit higher too. This will go way up. This is a drafting chair. Let me start my smoothie because I've been here all morning and haven't took a sip off of it yet. I can thicken that up a little bit. I'm gonna cut the bottom words off of here I don't need. And a little bit more of the top I don't need. So it'll fit in here nice and tight. Down the bottom here. If I just want to look down. The same song, I think. Oh, this in here. It's a different key. I'll Be Home for Christmas. Yeah. One's in there. This in, oh, that's the intro. That's what I just played that, and I was wondering where the rest of the song was, but I found it in another book. Okay. So now look over, I bet there's somebody in the chat room. Let me look over and see. Nope, nobody's in the chat room. It's a note missing. There should be a C right there. Torture myself on that, huh? Bring my pedal a little closer. Yeah, it's too loud in my ear, that's for sure. My headphones on. Get the real deal. Okay. Distortion. Do I have to turn it down some? What? Play how I'm gonna play. Anybody got anything to say about it? Shame on you, like Stevie Wonder said. Shame on you. I took a whole week off. Sometimes I think I have cabin fever. It's time for me to get out of here, get back out, get some air. Let me see. Wait a minute. Oh, here it is right here. Oh, let me see. Sus. I don't have that vibe. I just basic turn around. Move his headphone back. Basic turn around. Hadn't practiced so long. Hadn't practiced in a long time. I can wing that one out there. So let's start from the front. I can wing that. Oh, this is the hard one. This is when I got two of these on it. I do. God rest him, Mary John. I have two of these. Here it is. Here's the other one. I may have three. Alright, wing that. I'm gonna wing that. Do I have that curling of the bell somewhere? Oh, not gonna try that. Anyway, I think I can do this how do you swing this? How you swing this? It's autumn leaves in the same key of autumn leaves. What's the deal? I gotta bring this. I need to walk down. Right. I'm gonna rewrite this. I gotta, from here, I gotta keep switching to autumn leaves. Usually I don't get this far into around the Christmas is over. I started evolving. I don't have the Christmas spirit we used to say when we were growing up. Do you have the Christmas spirit yet? No, it's just a butterfly thing that gets in your stomach. I don't have that yet. Christmas time is here.